Hello, my dear family members. If you are preparing for Accenture Custom Software Engineer role interview, then this video is going to be very much helpful because we are going to discuss about the latest and recent questions which can be repeated, and I can say which most probably will be repeated in your case. So please don't miss this video. Okay. Now, just before that, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and share this content with your friends so that they can also take help from this. Okay, and we are only sharing the genuine questions which will be repeated to you. Okay, let me show you one thing.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
That is this. So in the interview itself, the interviewer will share a link, or you will get the link via mail. Just open that and you will have to solve total 3 coding questions in front of them. Okay, so you can see these type of uh, platform will be provided to you, and the interface will look like this. So 1 2 3, all questions will be easy questions, but still you have to write the code in front of the interviewer. Then you have to explain why you have written this syntax and why this logic, why not other logic, and why, and what's the time complexity, space complexity of this code. Okay, you have to mention this. Okay, now based on the previous experience and recent experience, we have listed all the top coding questions that can be asked to you. And one more information you need, that is, apart from these 3 coding questions, they're also including the introductions, and then they're also asking the questions from project and from the domain. Okay, domain means if you are from Python, then they are asking questions from Python, and if you are from Java or SAP HANA, etc., then they are asking questions from that particular domain. Okay, but these coding questions are common, so please don't miss this. So this is the real question, guys. That is, word frequency. Write a Python program to count the frequency of each word in a sentence. So this is the text input. Python is good Python, so Python appeared two times, so output should be 2. Okay, that means Python is 2, is occurred only once, so 1, good counts 1. Okay, so this is like this way you have to return the output in JSON format. Okay, now the next question is character frequency. Character frequency is like, let's say the question is count the frequency of every character in string. Let's say this is the string Accenture. Here A occurs once, C occurs twice, E occurs twice, N occurs once, T occurs once, U once, R once. So this is how your output should look like. Okay, in JSON format, how much time a character occurs, just written the count. Okay, nothing else. Now the next question is find duplicate elements. Question is print only the duplicate elements from a list. Guys, I'm not just going deeper to the solution, I'm just showing you what type of questions they are asking, and these are the real questions. Okay, I'm not joking. So if you want to go to the top coding questions which can be asked in your interview, then please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section, because there we have included all C++, Java, Python, DBMS, SQL coding questions, operating system, networking, machine learning, cloud computing, managerial questions, HR questions, puzzle questions, and real mock interview you can give. So please have this material. It can be applicable for all the top 100 MNC interview. So please have this, and you can see this type of template answers will be provided, and also this is the feedback of students provided below. Please go through that. If you found any difficulty, then let me know, I'll try to assist you there. Okay, now let me jump to the next question. So find duplicate elements. So you have to print the duplicate elements from the list. Okay, 2 4 5 2 7 5 9 2. So here 2 and 5 occurs twice, so 2 2 2 5 5. So duplicate elements present, so that means you have to return 2 and 5. Okay, and the next question is reverse every word. So there will be one sentence, you have to reverse all the words in the sentence. So reverse each word while keeping the sentence in order. So input is this: Python is easy. Python itself is reversed. I mean is reversed. Easy is also reversed. So this way you have to reverse all the word in the sentence. Okay. Second largest number, and this is the question: find the second largest number in a list. So 12, 45, 8, 67, 34. Guys, don't use any inbuilt method, any inbuilt function. Try to implement the logic and solve the problem. Okay. So 45 is the output because second largest number after 67 is 45, so that's why output is 45. Okay, I hope you understood. The next question is remove duplicates question. Remove duplicate elements while preserving the order. So input numbers are these: 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Here you have to remove the duplicate numbers. So 2 occurs twice, 4 occurs twice. So remove 2 and 4 once. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the output. Okay, I hope you understood. Next question is count the vowels. Count the number of vowels in a string. Input text is equal to Accenture Python. So this is the sentence you are provided, or the string you are provided. You have to return the number of vowels in a string. So A, E, U, E, and O. So total 5 vowels are present. So you have to return the count of the vowels. Okay. So 5 is returned. Find a missing number. Question: one number is missing from the sequence, and input is this numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and output is 4. How? Because there is only one missing number in the sequence, because 3, 4, 5, 6, so 4 is missing, so that's why output is 4. Okay, guys, if you want to get the real interview questions that has been asked earlier, then please join our telegram channel t.me/vbkanna. There we have already shared some questions, some experiences, so please go through that. Okay, check palindrome. This is very important and most asked questions. You can say check palindrome question: determine whether string is palindrome or not. So madam is provided. This is the text input, sample input. Output should be palindrome. Why? Because madam, if you read this from start to end and end to start, it sounds same. Okay, madam. So palindrome, that's why. Okay, and another input Python. So this is not palindrome because it sounds different when we read this from start and when we read this from end. Okay, this is not a palindrome. Group words by length. So store words based on their lengths using a dictionary. Input is this words. So Python is easy to learn. So you have to store words based on their lengths using a dictionary. So Python total 6 uh, characters are present is 2. So total sorry, what is the question? Store words based on their lengths using a dictionary. Okay, so 6 lengths is equal to Python. So 2 characters, here also 2 characters, so it should be stored in the this key. So this is the key and this is the value, right? So this is the key and this is the value is 2, and 4 is the key. The length of the strings are 4, and this is the string. We have found this from words list. Okay, and learn, here only 5 characters present, so that's why it's linked with the 5 key. Okay, now the next question is question 11: count uppercase and lowercase letters. So guys, this is the question, and question 12 is this, 13 is this, merge two dictionaries, and question number 14 is find the most frequent element in list, and question 15 is sort words alphabetically. So these are the questions which are very important, and they are really asking, and 3 coding questions will be asked. So based on that, based on the performance, you will be selected. So please have patience and keep the interview and get the job. And again, I'll request you to have the best prime materials for interview preparations, and this is available at top.techno_uf. Please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section. It will be very much helpful, and thousands, more than 5,000 candidates have been selected, so you can also get selected from this. Okay, so I hope you will do so. Guys, I have heard from you guys that you are not able to schedule your interview. So if you are facing this problem, then just start Control Shift and N and start incognito mode, like paste the link and get scheduled the interview. Okay, nothing else.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.